I turned on monetization just a week after launching the channel, and the results were surprisingly fast. And this isn't a one-off success story. There are many channels using the same niche and earning consistently. This category genuinely performs well. These creators are pulling in several $1,000s every month. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create the exact same style of short-form content. I'll break everything down step by step, which tools to use, how to begin, and the entire process for getting your first viral videos. What makes this even better is that these videos take no more than 5 minutes to produce. Just take a look at this channel's analytics. The owner makes roughly $150 per day, which adds up to around $45,000 a month, all from a simple home design niche. That's an impressive outcome by any standard. We're only going to use 2 free tools, and I'll show you exactly how to work with them so you can start creating content today. The first one is Home Design AI, which allows you to generate interior designs for apartments, bedrooms, kitchens, houses, basically anything you need. It's free to use and there are no limits. Here's how the process works. Step 1 is generating your base images. You could search for empty room photos online, but creating your own is much more effective. You can use any AI image generator. I'll demonstrate using ChatGPT.
Start with a simple prompt. Create a realistic empty room in a 9:6 aspect ratio.
Wait for the image, then download it.
Next, ask it to generate another empty room, but in a more modern style. Then, create a wider empty room, again in a 9:6 ratio. You can customize the prompts however you want, different angles, different layouts, and different lighting. It's completely up to your creativity. For example, you can request a single corner view room by saying, generate a wide empty room with a single corner view, 9:6 format. Continue downloading each image. After that, create some kitchen and terrace placeholders. For the kitchen, you can say, produce an empty kitchen with a bar counter, muted blue tones, 9:6 format. And for the terrace, generate an outdoor patio with a luxury house in the background. Once all the base rooms are ready, move on to step 2.
Return to Home Design AI. This is where we transform those empty rooms into fully decorated spaces. Scroll down a bit, you'll see several settings. Upload your first empty room, choose the correct ratio, then select what type of room you want. Bedroom, living room, office, kitchen, etc. I'll start with a bedroom. Next, choose an interior style. There are plenty: Scandinavian, modern, vintage, minimalist. Pick whatever you prefer. You can leave the prompt empty if you don't need anything specific, or you can describe extra details like place the bed against the left wall. For now, I'll leave it blank. Hit generate. Within seconds, you get a complete interior makeover that looks stylish, realistic, and perfect for this niche. Upload the next room with the corner angle. This time, I'll choose living room with a Scandinavian look. It's clean, warm, and very popular. Download the output immediately. Now load the kitchen. If it looks too empty, just add details in your prompt like include a refrigerator and a stove. The tool will automatically enhance the design. Repeat the same process for the terrace, office, or any other spaces you want. Adjust the rooms however you like. Here's how the niche works. You take an empty room, turn it into a designed interior, and show the transformation as a short video. That's it. It's simple, fast, and viewers love these satisfying transformations. You can easily create dozens of these videos in a day using different styles and layouts. People watch them for inspiration, renovation ideas, aesthetic satisfaction, and more. This niche also works great alongside any main channel because it barely takes any time. When you reach the terrace section, switch the category to gardens, upload the base image, pick a style, and generate. You can also add pools, lounges, or play areas depending on your ideas. Home Design AI is completely free and creates extremely high-quality interiors. Try it yourself. The link will be in the description. The final step is turning these before and after images into an animated transformation. This part is extremely easy.
The final step is turning these before and after images into an animated transformation.
This part is extremely easy. I'm using the FlexClip website. Go to the Video AI section and choose Start End to Video. You'll see two upload slots, the empty room and the finished interior. Upload both, then enter a small prompt like room transformation into a modern interior. If you want to add sounds, you can add that too. Choose Pro mode, set the duration to about 10 seconds, resolution to 720p, and then hit Generate. Wait a moment, and the animation is done. Clean, smooth, and ready to post. Do this for each pair of images. Each pair equals one video. If you want a longer 30-second upload, just combine several clips together. There are no limits. Focus on beautiful, premium, or luxury designs. My results turned out great, and I encourage you to start creating today. The key is consistency. Post 2 to 3 videos daily. As you saw, each one takes only a few minutes to make. Keep experimenting with different designs and layouts. Thank you for watching all the way through. I hope this helped you discover another powerful niche. All the links you need are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you stay updated on new YouTube and TikTok trends. Wishing you massive reach. See you in the next one.